Hi everyone, so today we will see how we'll use Watson Code Assistant with JetBrains products like PyCharm, Golang, IDEA and others. So let's start from firstly running the proxy, OpenAI proxy, which will translate Watson Code Assistant API calls to OpenAI compatible. And for that you will need Watson API key. That's the only thing that you need to use. If you have it, just run the Docker proxy. For example, Docker run name proxy. It will run on port 5000. Also, we'll need to send it to background and put AIM API key to your Watson Code Assistant API key. The image is Docker IO s9 and WCA to OpenAI. So we are running this right now. Let's see if it's fine. Yeah, it's running on port 5000. Everything is okay. So we will connect PyCharm in our case to this OpenAI proxy, and it will talk to WCA as Code Assistant API. Let's configure the PyCharm for this. So firstly, what you need to do in PyCharm is install great plugin that's called Proxy AI. So you go to plugins, open the marketplace, and find here Proxy AI. Proxy AI should be installed. After this installed, you go to Tools. In Tools, you find Proxy AI. In Proxy AI, you find Providers, and in Providers, you open Custom OpenAI. So in Custom OpenAI, you click on plus and define something like Watson AI. In API key, it should be any random string, just not empty, 111 for example. In the chat completions and code completions, we will need to fix the string, the host. It should be localhost port 5000. So we put localhost colon 5000 and HTTP, not HTTPS. Same thing here. Localhost because we are running this proxy on the localhost with Docker. Alright, finally get it working. And we put apply, okay, and let's check if it works. Here we choose the model. We don't choose any of this model. We go to custom OpenAI and choose Watson AI. Then, for example, I can select some code, for example, this one, and ask, for example, explain this select code. Let's see if it works. All right, it works. It explained the code. You can also use these prompts of the proxy AI, like find bugs in this code and something else, or just write me any code that I need here in the chat. You have chat, you have working in JetBrains products using Watson AI, and happy hacking.